We got some 15-minute parking, just enough time for my favorite dive. So that's my favorite place to dive. I know they're not like the fanciest buildings or whatever, but I just love the little like gap in between the buildings, like between the balconies. I like diving in there. I tried 400 milliwatts. I tried 200 milliwatts. I could only go so high, and then I was losing picture. I basically pushed it as far as I could without losing it. Like, I felt like I may have lost it, but sometimes you just want to do something, so you got to go for it. I was in the mood. It's like 12 a.m. and then I saw that like blue BMO, and I was just like, oh, I got to do it. And it was just, I wasn't sure it was going to make it. There's something wrong with the receiver, and it's weird because it keeps saying telemetry lost, but I trusted it to keep going. I'm just like, the radio will tell me like critical whatever, so I'm like, I'll ignore the telemetry lost and I'll just focus on when the radio warns me, and I was able to make it, so it was pretty sick. I still love analog. There's something about just about losing everything that is so exciting. Like, it's just, I'm sick. It's just like when I feel I'm just about to lose it and I don't, there's like a dopamine hit that you get that is just, oh, it's special. You feel that? What does it for you? Dives. Nothing does it for me like dives. Like, it's simple, but I love diving. What's your favorite trick to do? Or FPV thing? Yeah.